but it's almost like review of 3rd through 5th grade. Kind of. We'll talk about it later. So let's start with number 1, adding these up. We have 8,473 plus 9,849. We're adding. What is 3 plus 9?
3 plus 9 is 2.
Just
12.
12. Carry your 1. What is 7 plus 4?
12.
Well, 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Carry your 1 again. What is 4 plus 8?
13.
Listen to my question.
12.
4 plus 8 is
12.
plus 1.
13.
13. Carry your 1. What is 8 plus 9?
17.
17 plus 1?
18.
18. Did you guys get 18,322?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
There's something wrong.
if you were close, good job. Number 2, subtracting. This is a lot of zeros. We have to do a lot of borrowing. This is why I did it, so that we had to borrow a lot. Can I take from a 0?
No.
No. So we have to go all the way to the 1. What does this 1 become?
0.
Another 0.
9.
Well, in case he's on the track. We're borrowing from the 1, so it becomes a 0. That makes this 0 a 10. What does this 10 become?
9.
A 9, because this 1 becomes a 10 when you borrow. Borrow from this 10, this becomes a 9, and we have 10 again. Borrow again, this is a 9. Now we just have a 10 over here. So we have 10 minus 6.
4.
9 minus 7.
2.
2. 9 minus 8.
1.
1. 9 minus 9?
0.
0 and 0. So what's our answer?
124.
124.
I got that one now.
Borrowing a lot like that can be kind of difficult sometimes. So let's look at number 3. We're multiplying. What is 5 times 3? 15. Carry your 1. What is 5 times 8? 40 plus 1? 41. What is 5 times 6? 30 plus 4? 34. Carry your 3. And what is 5 times 4? 20 plus 3? 23. Am I done?
No.
No, what do I still need to do?
What is 0?
Yeah, we have to multiply by the 4. So we need to add a 0 as our placeholder. Then we can do 4 times 3. 12. Carry your 1. What is 4 times 8? 32 plus 1? 33. Carry your 3. What is 4 times 6? 24 plus 3? 27. Carry your 2. And 4 times 4? 16 plus 2? 18. Now I'm done, right?
We have to add.
We still have to add at the end. Good.
Add it.
What is 5 plus 0?
5.
What is 1 plus 2?
3.
3 plus 4? 3 plus 7? 1 plus 2 plus 8?
11.
11 and 1 plus 1. So you should get 210,735.
Yep.
Is you good on that?
Wait.
Working on it?
I got 2,025. Is that what, 7? 2,000.
Something might have gone wrong there.
210,725.
Something might have gone wrong there.
I got 170.
Did you do it in your head?
735.
Did you do it all in your head? Write it down then, next time. Okay, number 4, we're dividing. So we have to take 15,025 divided by 25. Does 25 go into 1?
No.
Does it go into 15?
No.
No. But it will go into 150.
6 times.
6 times. Good. It goes in evenly 6 times. 150. Subtracting gets 0. Drop down the 2. Does 25 go into 2?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't go into 2, so what do I need to put up here?
0.
0. Don't forget that placeholder 0. You subtract the 0 and you get 2.
That's what I did wrong.
Drop down your 5. Does 25 go into 25? 1 time. There's our answer.
I did that way wrong.
Did you miss the placeholder 0?
Yep.
Yeah, don't forget about that. That's a big deal. What's up?
I got the 0, 235 part right, but not the 21 part.
Yeah, something went wrong on that there. Write it down. It'll probably help.
Maybe I didn't
Maybe you. Okay. So that's just a warm-up to prepare you for some of the stuff you're going to do today. Let's go ahead and head over to Google Classroom. I'm going to show you, explain it, and then just let you work.
Okay.
So you should have a new assignment. I think it's called operations. Operation word problems. All right. So down at math, go ahead and open up the operations word problems. This is a set of Google Slides. I think there's a lot of them. There's 20 questions. But I honestly think that they will be ones that you might even be able to do in your head, most of them. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and give you guys about 1 minute to get that opened up on your screen, please. So everybody open that up.
More the three little pigs. Horrible.
Okay, it actually looks like most of you guys are already there. So let's do the first slide together, where we're just answering the questions. It says Sarah and Ozma are selling some art that they made. They sold 5 drawings for $7 and they sold 7 paintings for $10. How much did they make altogether? So we need to figure out the amount of money they make. This is something that you guys will use in your life in general, right? If you are selling things or trying to figure out how much you need to make to buy something. So she has 5 drawings. And how much is she are they selling them for? $7. So 5 drawings times $7 is how much money for the drawings? How much? $35 for the drawings. What about the paintings? How many are they selling? 7 paintings times how much money each? $10 is how much money? $70. How do I figure out how much they made total? Add them up. 70 plus 35 is $105. There's our answer. Yeah.
I think it's confusing because it doesn't say each. It looks like they sold 5 drawings for $7.
You are correct.
I thought it was where you just, added.
It could have been just 7 plus 10. That's a good point.
Let's go Misty the wrong way, so I'm sorry.
Well, you might be more right because it doesn't say that they spend, or they each, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't say per drawing. It just says they sold 5 for $7. They did not make much money off of these drawings. I think Mr. Turner is correct, and that we just have $17 on this. No, I think I just read it wrong. So $7 for 5 drawings plus the $10 for 7 paintings. How much money did they make?
$17.
$17. That's sad. Not very much money for that.
Apparently, pig drawings aren't worth a whole lot.
I guess not. So then you guys will just type your answer down here where it says type. You will erase that. And you need to put the units on there. It's dollars. So make sure you put $17 on there. That's a sad amount of money for all that work that they did on those drawings.
What if the drawings are not good?
Maybe they aren't that good. Maybe that's why they only sold for a few dollars. So let's look at number 2 then. And let's read it a little bit more carefully this time. This one says, Roy and Devontae want to take a trip to Kentucky Kingdom. They each have $50 to spend. If tickets are $20 a piece, how much money do they have left to spend at the park?
$30.
So let's just take one person, right? So let's say Roy, he's got $50 total. Well, Roy has 50 because each of them have 50, right? If each of them has 50, or Roy has 50, he spends $20 on a ticket. How much money does he have left to spend, Charlie? $30 at this park that they're at. Yeah. So then our answer here is $30. I think most of these are pretty simple, just like that. Make sure you read the question carefully because as I already demonstrated, reading them incorrectly can make it a lot harder for you. So, yeah, just go ahead and work your way through these. I don't think that they are all going to be adding or subtracting. They might be multiplying and dividing. This is for a grade. It's out of 20 points. I will check to make sure that you have gotten them all correct. And I will make sure that I also do my answer key correctly. So, you guys have 45 minutes until we have lunch, so you have plenty of time to get these 20 questions done. Mr. Turner and I will be walking around. If you're online and you need help, give us a shout. I'm going to turn our recording off, though.